Each spring, millions of birds hit the airways to migrate from their winter homes in Central and South America to come to their breeding grounds here in North America. Many of these migrants make stops here in my home of Pennsylvania. In fact, just a minute ago, I heard a red-eyed and a black and white. This spring, I traveled to Magee Marsh, a popular birding spot in northwestern Ohio along Lake Erie. I was able to observe and photograph many warblers fluttering through the trees. One single bird, though, put on an incredible show. Shooting at 120 frames per second, we're able to see the Prothonotary warbler using its great agility and sharp beak, taking advantage of the hard work of spiders by stealing insects that have been caught in the web and then ultimately eating the spider itself. Although this might seem ruthless, it's actually necessary to keep the ecological balance in this wetland habitat. I discovered 2 yellow warbler nests at Magee. The first was hidden in a difficult spot that made it a challenge to photograph. But I was able to witness their courtship ritual. The male warbler showcases his breeding prowess by singing from a prominent perch. His cheerful tune serves as an irresistible invitation to potential mates. In response, the female warbler approaches and they engage in a dance, fluttering their wings and hopping from branch to branch, establishing a connection through synchronized movements. I found a second yellow warbler nest that was in the process of being built in a much more photographable location. A small crowd formed as we watched a yellow warbler go in and out, bringing materials to build the sturdy cup-shaped structure. I was captivated by its delicate movements as it carefully arranged each piece, making sure the nest was secure for future hatchlings. I felt refreshed and renewed after spending a few days at Magee, and it was great to immerse myself in the spring season and observe these fascinating birds.